So I just watched Gordon Ramsay's Hot Ones inspired chicken wings recipe, and it was very interesting to say the least. I never really seen anybody cook chicken wings using this particular method. It looks very interesting. I want to give it a try. Gordon Ramsay made it, so hey, it should be good, right? Let's not waste any time and let's get into it. So to begin, I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of oil onto our wings. This is about 2 pounds or so of some chicken wings. Go ahead and massage that in, get them well coated in that oil. And to season it up, all that he used to begin is smoked paprika, onion powder, and salt. So I have a mix of that here, and I'm just gonna drop that right on top just like so.
You fucking donut!
Making sure they are well coated up. And I think I misspoke there. It was actually, I think I said onion powder. It's actually garlic powder, smoked paprika, salt. So go ahead and get that on top of your chicken wings just like so. Give it a mix, making sure they are well coated up. And our chicken are just about coated up just how I like them. Just want to make sure there's no unseasoned spots on our chicken. And now we're gonna move on to the next step. All right, guys, remember I told you this method is very different and unique. We are gonna begin by searing our chicken wings on this hot pan. I have it to about a medium high. And I dropped a little bit of oil in there. And our chicken wings are going right on in. And what we're looking to do is just get a nice, beautiful color on our chicken wings. Never made wings this way. Everything here is just new for me, okay, guys? We're gonna see how they come out. Maybe this will be the new wave as far as making wings for me. We're gonna find out. All right, we're beginning to look good on that first side. I'm gonna start to give them a flip. And as you can see, they are starting to get nice and golden brown on that first initial side. And you do want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees, okay? Because after we sear them and a couple other steps, we are gonna toss these bad boys in the oven for about 15 minutes at 375 Fahrenheit. And another thing he did was add some butter to this pan to give it some richness and to help them kind of caramelize a little bit. I'm just trying to spread it out, making sure everything has some butter. You want that butter to get nice, hot, and frothy. Another thing he did after adding the butter was crack some fresh ground black pepper. Obviously, this is not freshly cracked, but I'm gonna make it do what it do. Sprinkle that on top. Add a little bit more butter. So at this point, we're gonna toss them in the oven, 375 for 15 minutes. So our chicken wings are done, fresh out of the oven. That's how they are looking. I'm gonna transfer them into this mixing bowl right here. You just dump them in for the most part. Be careful because this is very hot. This pan is scorching hot as well, being that it just came out of the oven. Gonna drop some of that juice in there as well. So what he did on the video, we're gonna do it as well. Drop some of that juice in. We're gonna also drop in some unsalted butter. By the way, we've been using unsalted this whole entire video. If you know, you know. We're gonna drop in some of our favorite hot sauce. Ours is Louisiana hot sauce. And you're gonna just go ahead and give that a toss, just like so. And once you have them tossed up, you are pretty much ready to plate up, guys. I am too excited to give these a try. They are looking good, smelling good, and you already know flats is where it's at, so that's what we're gonna try first. All right, cheers everyone. Let's see if Gordon Ramsay has something up his sleeves with this recipe. Okay. That's actually really good. Okay. So let me tell you, this is buttery, super flavorful. You're not gonna get that crispy crunch that you're used to with your normal fried wings, but being that we seared it, it does have a nice crust to it, but you are not gonna get that crispy crunch, you know what I mean? But it's still really, really good in a very, very unique way to make wings, like very different, and it came out amazing, very flavorful, guys. You guys definitely have to give this one a try. It's really good, very different, very unique, not your average wing right here. Gordon Ramsay made it himself, okay? So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all on the next one. Deuces.